welcome to LS200 series maintenance video. For this maintenance procedure you will need LS200 instruction manual, 13mm socket wrench and 90mm socket wrench, a wrench extension and LS200 kit maintenance. First step is to remove the bottom flange in order to access the pad. Using a 13mm wrench, you remove the 4 bolts that keep the bottom flange attached to the body. Remove the bottom flange, check the O-ring for any damage, replace if necessary, and set aside. Next is removing the pad disc. Use a 90mm socket wrench in order to remove the pad disc. The O-ring and the disc plate should come loose after you remove the lock nut. With the disc removed, check with your fingernail the orifice for any nicks and damage. If you find any, see the orifice replacement video for the steps and instruction. Replace the O-ring, the disc pad and the lock nut from disc pad kit maintenance. Now we begin to reassemble the regulator. The order is disc plate key 41, the O-ring key 42, the disc pad key 43 and the lock nut key 54. Tighten the lock nut to 26 feet-pound or 35 Newton-meter using a 90mm socket wrench. Lubricate the O-ring and insert it into the pad disc. Reassemble the bottom flange with the 4 bolts. Ensure that the O-ring is not damaged and lubricate a little. Tighten the 4 bolts using a 30mm socket wrench at 70 foot-pounds or 22 Newton-meter. Now you have completed the disc pad maintenance procedure and unit is ready to go.
For more information, contact your local Emerson sales partner.